When your new Galaxy S26 is stuck on a black screen and won't turn on, it is most likely that its battery is empty. However, there are times when the phone won't respond when plugged to the charger, and in such a case, you need to do a bit of troubleshooting. First solution, do the forced restart. A forced restart is a simulated battery pull. It's effective because it forces the device to cut power to the processor and start fresh, which clears any minor system glitches that might be freezing the screen. This is how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power or side key simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons for at least 10 to 15 seconds. If the Samsung logo appears, release the buttons and let the phone boot up normally. In most cases, this is the only thing you have to do to fix a Galaxy S26 that won't turn on. This makes the forced restart the most effective yet simplest solution you can use to fix your device. However, if the phone is still stuck on the black screen after this, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge the phone and do the forced restart. Sometimes the battery is so depleted that the phone cannot even trigger the charging icon on the screen. In this state, the device needs a boost while connected to a power source. Plug your original Samsung USB-C charger into a working wall outlet. Connect your Galaxy S26 and let it charge for at least 10 minutes, even if the screen stays black. While the phone is still connected to the charger, press and hold the volume down button and the power key again for 15 seconds. If the logo appears, your phone has successfully rebooted. Ensure you let it charge to 100% before disconnecting it to recalibrate the battery. If the phone remains unresponsive after these steps, it may indicate a hardware issue that requires professional inspection at an authorized service center. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.